So this thing has been sitting for a while, and we're about to drag it out and see if we can't get it to fire back up. It's been quite a while. I'll tell y'all a little bit about it here in just a second. Man, there's a lot of glare out here. This is a bike that I picked up off of Facebook Marketplace. It's been a long time ago. It sat around for a long time. What we did is it needed a top end, so it got the Athena stock bore 54 millimeter. This was just really, man, this thing was just a piece when we got it, and it was all taken apart. Y'all know how project bikes are. So what I'm gonna try to do right now, well, we've done a little bit to it. I'm trying to get it running again. Had to buy all kind of stuff for it. Get a fresh back tire, pro circuit muffler. Well, I'm gonna try to get this thing running again. I think I need to dump some fuel down it, and I need to fix that. It's freaking stupid. It still needs some work. I know. Call it a shit box how you want. Let me see if I can get it fired up. So I kicked it and I kicked it and I kicked it and I sprayed fuel down in with that little bottle that's on the ground right there. You see that bottle? And man, I cannot get this thing to do anything except idle for a couple of seconds. Part 2 will come, but this is my 01 yz125 freaking shit box edition. No crap. Looks good from here. Don't go look at it up close. That ain't no joke. Hey, y'all like and subscribe and follow me for more, and you can see more of all of this ignorant shit that I partake in on a regular basis. Hey, I tell you what, this is a cool one. This is something that you won't see a video about. This is for all the people who wait around to the end of the videos. Wow. 95 YZ 325 for sale, Houston, Texas, on Marketplace right now. Right now. See that plate right there? That means that the crankshaft stroke is longer than it used to be. So what is that? 4 mil worth of spacer. If that tells you anything. The cylinder head says ZR on it. Just saying. Like, I know where this bike come from. I heard it run today for the first time in probably 5 years. So this is probably the only video you'll ever see of this unless I get some wild hair up my ass and decide to get it running. That's the one. This is my baby. This is my baby. My shitbox 3000. Y'all, for real, like, subscribe, share with your friends.